Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cook County in northeast Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, eastern Kane County in northeast Illinois, Lake County in northeast Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Marengo to Alberta Little Rock and moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bull Valley and McHenry around 1:05 p.m. McCullum Lake and Sunnyside around 1:10 p.m. Long Lake and Lakeville around 1:15 p.m. Venetian Village and Lindenhurst around 1:20 p.m. Zion and Wadsworth around 1:25 p.m. Winthrop Harbor and Wilmette Harbor around 1:30 p.m. This includes northern portions of the city of Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.